Look at this factory floor, filled with steel, scale, and purpose. Before anything moves, the machines already command attention. Every structure here is built to handle extreme weight. Thick metal frames surround the workspace like armor. Nothing in this factory is small or fragile. Now watch as the first machine slowly comes alive. The arm begins to lift with calm, controlled force. You can see how smoothly the joints rotate under pressure. Every movement is deliberate and carefully measured. This machine is built to move thousands of tons daily. As the load rises, notice how evenly the weight is distributed. The floor beneath absorbs the pressure without resistance. Gravity feels challenged, but never defeated. Hydraulics work silently, pushing steel with confidence. This is precision engineered into motion. Now focus on the material being shaped inside the factory. Raw metal enters the process heavy and unrefined. The machine grips it firmly without strain. Sparks fly briefly, then fade into control. What you see is power guided by accuracy. Watch the machine rotate its body across the factory floor. Massive wheels roll forward under extreme load. The ground compresses, but the machine remains stable. Nothing shakes, nothing feels uncertain. This is balance perfected through engineering. As the material moves forward, the pace remains calm. Speed is not needed when control is absolute. Every ton moves exactly where it is meant to go. The factory works like a single organized system. Each machine supports the next without interruption. Now shift your attention to the conveyor line. Material flows continuously from one station to another. Thousands of tons move in perfect rhythm. There are no sudden stops or delays. This motion continues hour after hour. Look closely at how evenly the material travels. Nothing spills, nothing jams. The machine guides the process effortlessly. This is efficiency built into steel and motion. The factory never loses momentum. Step back and observe the full scale of the operation. The machines dominate the space completely. Human figures nearby appear almost insignificant. The factory is designed around these giants. Yet every movement remains smooth and controlled. Now watch as the load transfers to the next machine. The handoff is slow, precise, and perfectly timed. There is no impact when the weight is placed. This moment shows true industrial mastery. Power without chaos is what defines this factory. The crane now takes control of the process. A massive load lifts and hangs quietly in the air. Thousands of tons suspended with complete stability. The machine holds its position without effort. Balance at this scale feels almost unreal. As the crane moves sideways, notice every detail. The load follows smoothly without swinging. No sudden motion breaks the calm. Every inch of movement is controlled. This level of precision demands respect. Now the press machine comes into view. Thick steel plates align with exact positioning. Pressure builds gradually and evenly. You can see the metal begin to respond. Not breaking, but reshaping under force. The press releases, leaving a perfectly formed result. Raw material transforms into something functional. This process repeats again and again. The machine never hesitates or questions, simply delivers consistent results. Look at the production line working together. Multiple machines move in perfect coordination. Each task begins exactly when it should. There is no overlap and no wasted motion. Everything flows as one system. This coordination allows the factory to keep moving. Thousands of tons handled without confusion. Order replaces effort at this scale. This is what real industrial power looks like. Calm, controlled, and relentless. The machines reset and begin another cycle. Lift, move, shape, and place. The process never slows down. This factory works day and night. There is no pause in production. These machines build the modern world. Infrastructure rises because of this work. cities depend on this precision. And it all happens quietly, behind the scenes, without demanding attention. If you feel locked into these visuals, that's no accident. The movement itself holds your focus. The scale makes it impossible to ignore. The machines speak through action alone. Every second feels solid and satisfying. More material will enter this factory soon. Even heavier machines will take over next. The work never truly ends here. This is real factory machinery at work. And this is why people keep watching.